Does your business feel like it's held together with duct tape and a prayer? One for systems, another for scheduling, and yet another for tracking customers? Y'all know what I'm talking about. It's freaking exhausting. And I promise you, you are not alone. Yana, you are not alone. Many business owners face this exact challenge. And today, I'm going to show you how to sync your tools so that they work together seamlessly. By the end of the video, you'll know how to save time, you will eliminate errors, and you'll finally have a business that runs smoothly without you having to play referee, literally, between your systems. So here's the thing. When your tools aren't connected, it's like trying to row a boat with one oar. You're putting in effort, but you're not moving forward efficiently. And y'all know that we're efficient here at DMU. You waste time switching between apps, manually entering data and fixing errors. And we all know what that leads to: missed opportunities, frustration, and sometimes even lost revenue. Syncing your systems completely changes the game. Imagine everything working together. Your scheduling app updates your calendar, your CRM is tracking your client interactions and engagement, and your email system sends updates automatically. You can truly focus on growing your business while your systems handle the details. So what exactly is system syncing, right? It's about connecting your software and tools so that they can share information automatically. It's that simple. I want you to think of it like a well-oiled machine. Each part plays a role, but together they make the whole system work seamlessly. When your CRM, which is your customer relationship management software, your CRM, your email marketing tool, your scheduling application or software, and your payment processor, when all of those are synced, they act as a single unit instead of separate, disconnected parts. For example, if a new client books a session, their information updates across all of the systems, right? Your calendar, your CRM, your invoicing software. And what this does is it eliminates manual work for you, and it ensures that nothing slips through the cracks. And that is how we want to operate, at excellence, right? So let's bring this concept to life, right? I'm gonna give you some real world examples. Y'all know I love to give examples. So yeah, I want y'all to get this. I want you to understand it. So let's say you were a coaching business, right? So imagine you're a coach and someone books a consultation. With system syncing, their details automatically flow into your CRM, your calendar blocks out the time, and a follow-up email with session details is sent to them, right? Which means that appointment is confirmed, right? And they receive an email or a text message or both. So if you're a coach, right, or if you've worked with a coach, you've experienced this, whether you were the coach or whether you were seeking a coach. You've experienced that in some shape or form. I'll give you another example, right? An e-commerce store. So if you've ever had a store online or if you've ever shopped. So for an online store owner, syncing your CRM with your email tool, it will ensure that when a customer makes a purchase, for example, that they're added to your email list and they receive an automated thank you email along with product recommendations. So who here watching this loves to shop? I love to shop, right? I love to shop. And I'm always getting different recommendations from my kids, from my husband, right? Even from my dog all the time in my email. So that's another example. All right. Another example. I'm going to keep throwing them at you. So I want you all to understand, and I want you to know that what we're talking about, right, with the system syncing, you've done this before. You've seen it before. Even if you haven't done it, you've seen it before. And I just want to break it down so that y'all understand. So now let's go into real estate. So let's say, right, a real estate agency. So in real estate, when you sync your lead forms with your CRM, it allows you to capture those inquiries directly from your website and send those leads a personalized email or text immediately. So what does this do, right? No more juggling spreadsheets, which y'all know how I feel about spreadsheets and pen and paper, right? Or sending those follow-up emails manually, follow-up text messages manually. It literally is all taken care of. So enough with the examples. I think we got it now. You should. If not, go ahead and click the backtrack on this video. Backtrack it just a little bit so you can hear those examples again. Okay. So now that you know what syncing is, let's talk tools. Here are 3 powerhouse tools that you can use. Zapier, aka Zapier, however you say it. This is like the Swiss Army knife of integrations. It connects thousands of apps and softwares, and it makes automating tasks simple. Also, Make.co, which is formerly Integromat. This is ideal for more complex workflows. Yes, more complex than Zapier, yes. It's great if you need custom solutions for syncing. There's always a way. You got that, you got APIs, the list goes on. No, I don't expect you to know that. Go hire somebody. Unless you're Unless you're a tech geek watching this, go hire somebody. Next is Go High Level, aka Lead Twist, which is what we use here at DMU, right? This is my favorite, right? This all-in-one tool combines your CRM, your email marketing, scheduling, even text messaging in one platform. If you want everything under one roof, then this is the way to go. Lead Twist is the way to go. These tools, all the ones that I've listed, Zapier, May, Go High Level, Lead Twist, these tools work like digital assistants, literally, and they keep everything in sync so that you don't have to. So let's use those tools. I want to break down the 3-step process to syncing your systems. We're going to break it down in 3 easy steps. Number 1 is to map out your processes. You want to start by listing literally all of the tools that you use and what each one does. This could be your CRM, email marketing platform, payment processor, your scheduling app, and more, right? Identifying those connections is number 2. You want to think about which tools that need to share information. For example, your lead form, right? Your contact form, the way you collect data, it might need to update your CRM to trigger a welcome email. These are the things you need to be thinking about. Number 3, setting up automations. So when you use a tool like Zapier to create your workflows, so I'm gonna give you an example. For instance, when someone fills out a form, a contact form, their information is automatically added to your CRM and a follow-up email sequence begins. Usually it's a welcome email or confirmation email, something, right? So that's just an example. So that's number 3. So again, number 1 is map out your processes. Number 2 is identify connections. And number 3 is set up your automations. And by following these steps, you can create a seamless flow of information across your business. And yes, it's that simple. We don't have to overcomplicate this. I promise you. We here at DMU, we do not believe in making things hard. We believe in simplicity. Simplicity is key. Okay, I got it, Jasmine Monet. So you want to take it a step further. Here are some more advanced tips. So number 1, segment your contacts. We talk about tags and grouping contacts. So you can automatically categorize your leads based on the form they fill out or the product they buy or the type of interaction or engagement that they do with any of your marketing efforts. So this helps you to send targeted follow-up emails, text messages, whatever you desire. Number 2 is to track customer journeys. Essentially, you can sync tools to track how customers interact with your business from the first touch point all the way to purchase. Number 3, we're still in the advanced, right? Number 3 is real-time notifications. So you can set up alerts when key actions occur, like a big sale or like a high priority lead, like high ticket client or potential client lead filling out your form. And these small upgrades, right, this more advanced way, they can make a massive difference in how you manage and grow your business. And that's a fact. Before you dive in, I want to talk about what not to do. Let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid. Trying to connect too much at once. I would personally start with 1 or 2 key integrations before expanding. Another thing is skipping testing. Never not test. Let me see if that makes sense. You always want to test. That's what I want to see. You always want to test your workflows to ensure that they're working as expected. You always want to send yourself a test email or a test text message to make sure that it looks how it's supposed to look and that the links that are in the email and that are in your text messages are working like they should. Next, neglecting security. This is a big one. So you want to ensure that your tools are secure and compliant with data protection regulations to keep customer information safe. That's a big one. How many systems and softwares have you all used where there was a data breach? Numerous. And that's a whole nother video or videos, honestly, about that. That's a big one. So when you avoid these mistakes, you will save yourself lots of time and frustration in the long run. So the all-in-one solution. If managing multiple tools sounds like a headache, which I promise you it can be, an all-in-one platform such as Go High Level, Lead Twist that we use at DMU, it can be a game changer for you. And I keep mentioning it because it is a great tool that when you're first getting started, you can work with it and it can grow with you. And when you have everything integrated, your CRM, your emails, right, your text messages, and your scheduling, you can eliminate the need for the third-party tools. So when I was talking about the powerhouse tools earlier, Zapier and Nate, you can avoid those by having an all-in-one. And then maybe when you grow your business later and you add to it, then you may want to use that. But starting off, you definitely can eliminate the third-party tool. So the all-in-one Go Ahead level is perfect for small businesses and solopreneurs who want to simplify their workflows without sacrificing functionality, and that's a big one. So I have to tell y'all the success story. I have to tell you. So this is real life success story. So one of my clients, they run a fitness coaching business, and they were spending hours every week managing their scheduling and emails and client data. It was a lot, and they were manually doing it, which I initially consulted them and told them not to do. But after they synced their tools, their calendar updated automatically when a client booked a session, and their follow-up emails were sent without delay. It was really fast, and all of their client details were stored securely in the CRM. And what happened after that? The result, they saved over 10 hours a week, and they had more time on focusing on their business. They had more time to do marketing, all of those. Are you ready to take your business to the next level with system syncing? I'm sure you are. Subscribe to this channel for more tips on automation, systems, and scaling your business. And if you have questions about which tools to use or how to set them up, drop them in the comments below. Y'all know I love to help. Thanks for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video.